it's Sherry from Sparkle Peanut Designs. I hadn't planned on making a video today, but I thought, you know, keeping with the SCT Sampler mentality, I had these little tiny pieces left from the September 2020 SCT Sampler. This is all I had left. And of course I kept it because you see these pieces and you're like, oh my goodness, I could use that. I'm sure I could use that. And so I needed to make a housewarming card. And so I thought, as I saw the houses left in this kit, it would be something that I could totally use these scraps for. So what I did off camera, because like I said, I hadn't planned on making a video. I just did this mushing technique with worn lipstick, distress oxide, and plastic. Nothing that we haven't seen a million times on YouTube. So then from there, I have this scrap of house paper, to which I'm just going to put right down the middle, making it as straight as I can, clipping off the end. Then I have two little side pieces of the wood grain. I'm going to cut them in half because then I'm going to put some on the top and some on the bottom. So we're going to do, again, they're just tiny little scraps. I'm going to use a sander to rough up the edges a bit of just one side because, again, I'm going to put it top and bottom. And it's not going to go all the way across because the sentiment is going to be in the center. I am out of my favorite adhesive, so I will use this American Crafts adhesive. I have to look at which side did I sand. I'm just going to put it above and below the house strip. Hoping that it's wide enough. If not, yeah, it will be, because I'm going to also use another piece of the pink to mat the sentiment that I had left over from the kit. So far, so good. Again, super easy. And even if you don't have the SCT Sampler, we all have these little bits and pieces hanging around our house that we can use. So I'm going to use Best Wishes. It's going to go there. Now, when I just did that, I made this really, really even to itself. So what we are going to do now is we're going to take this piece and we're going to mat it. This or this? I don't think that's big enough. Yeah, we'll use this pink. Oh, look at that pink. We're going to use this pink, which is going to go on this pink. Because we have it, we might as well use it. Because after this card, I do believe maybe I should decide to be done with this kit. If you don't kill it this, I don't know how much more you could kill it past what it already is. So just trimming off, channeling my inner Chamel, and trimming off with scissors. Now we're going to mat it on this plaid. Maybe if we do it straight, it would be better. And again, trim. And just trim this one down just a little bit more. I think I got it a little bit too wide. Okay. Ta-da! Super, super easy so far. We're going to use some fun foam behind it to pop it up. This is just dollar store fun foam, and I really like the dollar store fun foam because it's if I was actually needing to use fun foam for something, it probably wouldn't be the best fun foam because it's really, really thin. But I really like that it gives dimension without thickness, because this is actually going to another country, so I don't, postage is already enough. Don't want to add more. Look at that so far. Super, super easy. Now I had trimmed out a house, which is here somewhere in all of this. But I'm also going to use these butterflies that I had fussy cut. I'm going to put one on the best wishes and one off of it. Now we just need to find the house that I cut out. I know it's here because I just cut it out right there, which I'm going to put down here. Now, one of the things while looking at it with these, with the house and the, I don't like the join of that. So I think I'm going to cut some strips of this pink. And I have a whole bunch of hearts punched out of it as well. So maybe using a little heart. Oh, I like that. So I'll give you an after, but you don't need to wait and watch me. I'm gonna just cut some little pink strips that are gonna kind of block that off. Mount it on the card front. I'll take some pictures and show you. But I did that in 8 minutes. So if you did the inking, probably add another 10-minute card using scraps that I have left over from my SCT 2020 August kit. Thanks. As you can see, I added the pink strips and a few little pink hearts. I love how it turned out, and thanks for watching. Bye.